Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain how to use table slicer options. Okay, so first we'll see what are the options are available in this slicer. So first select the slicer. Whenever we are selecting this slicer, automatically options tab gets enabled. Okay, see here options tab gets enabled. Just click on this options tab. We will see all the slicer options like slicer settings and slicer styles, slicer arrangements, then slicer buttons adjustment and slicer size. Okay, so these are the different types of options are available. Now I will show you more slicer settings available in this particular table slicer. Okay, click on this slicer settings. See here we have name and header name. So if you change this header name, okay, like I will give header name as depart. Click on OK button. See automatically this header name gets renamed over here. Okay, and also if you uncheck this display header option, click on OK button. See this slicer header name gets disappear. Okay, now I will show you one more option like item sorting and filtering. Okay, we can sorting based on this ascending order either in descending order. So by default it is in ascending order. Now I will change this item sorting based on descending order. Okay, select the descending order, click on OK button. See automatically these items get arranged based on descending order. Okay, now I will show you more options are available in this particular slice settings. So see here we have option called usually indicated items with no data and show items with no data last. Okay, so if I uncheck this show items with no data last, click on OK button. If I select this criteria like I want to show based on groups, B group, see automatically whatever data is not available, the data is disappear over here. Okay, see and remaining whatever data available, only that data is only enabled. Okay, now I will show you one more option. Like again I will enable this option. What will happen, we'll see. Show items with no data last. Okay, so click on any option in this group. See only A group we have sales and marketing data is available, remaining data is not available, so that the data is disappear over here. Okay, that is the feature of that show items with no data last. Okay, if I uncheck this visually indicated items with no data, click on OK button. See if I select any criteria on this group, these department wise is not highlighted over here. Why? Because that is not visually displayed. Okay, so if you check again this options, then only it is visually displayed over here. Okay, now if you select this hide items with no data, click on OK button. So before whatever data is not available, that those things are displayed in gray color, now completely hide over in this slicer. Okay, so these are the different types of options are available table slicers. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.